Good morning. You are most welcome in the Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. And in this video series, we are going to discuss the some questions of the chemistry for the entrance examination BSc and JU University. In this video series, we have discussed the some questions in previous video, and now today is continue. And question is that the 5 moles of gas is passed through a series of changes. Okay, and ultimately comes back to its original state. That is, the process is a cyclic process. And process A to B is isochoric, B to C is isobaric, and C to A is a isothermal. That means the initial point is A, and after the cyclic process, gases come back on that point and represent the process in a volume temperature diagram. And in this calculation or solving the question, we have to draw a diagram or graph, that is the VT graph. That is the VT graph. So now start the solution. According to our question, 5 moles, 5 moles of gas passed through a series of change means process changes again and again. In the condition A to B, it is the isochoric. What is the meaning of the isochoric? When the temperature pressure is the constant. Isobaric, pressure is the constant. Isochoric, volume is the constant. And isothermal, that means the temperature is constant. It is a cyclic process. It is a cyclic process. And like that, A to B, A to B is isochoric, and B to C, according to our question, isobaric process, and C to A, and C to A is a isothermal process. And in this process, formation of a cycle, suppose like that, A to B, B to C, and C to A. There are the three phenomena. A to B is isochoric, and A to B and B to C is isobaric, and it is the isothermal. Okay. Now they are asking about the graphical representation of this process using the ideal gas equation. For this question, using the ideal gas ideal gas equation. What is the ideal gas equation? Ideal gas equation is that PV is equal to nRT. PV is equal to nRT. R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature, N is the number of moles, V is the volume, P is the pressure. So now there are the three types of the processes going on. So first we will write for the isochoric. First we will write for the isochoric. For the isochoric process, volume volume V is constant. Volume V is constant. Okay. And at that point, VA is equal to V. There is no change. And a straight vertical line in a VT graph. Because of there is no change. In for the second process is the isobaric. In this condition, pressure is constant. In this condition, pressure is constant. When the pressure is constant, according to the our ideal gas equation, V is equal to nRP into T. Okay, that means V directly proportional to the T. And according to the third process, isothermal, in this condition, C A, that means T is constant. Isothermal, T is the constant, and in this condition Tc is equal to Ta. So now draw the graph for that. Okay, is it clear? Now draw the graph like that. Graph in between the graph in between the V and T, in between the V and T, V and T, and it is the origin point O, x-axis temperature, and y-axis is the volume. Temperature in the degree Celsius and volume V in the liter. Okay. Now, according to our condition, according to the condition graph like that, B A C. A B is a vertical line. Is a vertical line because of V is equal to constant. Okay. And B to C is a B to C. This inclined line. Inclined line because of V upon T is equal to constant. Okay. And now C to A again, it is isothermal and graphical line is horizontal. Horizontal like that. Horizontal line, that means T is equal to constant. T is equal to constant. Thank you.